King one Ghana, any Ghana for be abe class so for Penyah Archbishop Duncan Williams. And as Archbishop Duncan Williams. So abe class with him. Then you find the Galamsey sense what chire mu say ye mompaye ye nsu wo kese ne na okese no efa honhom me bra Ghana so na emo emi enya Galamsey tu. Mo say hwe. Papa, with all due respect, any day kwanso no go kwanso pa enya mpaye. Ene je so be Galamsey there be. Enya mpaye akrokro ne ya doso. Enya mpaye. Omo abai can be address of Penyah. I have Penyah block na best say need mo. Obe like video no that one. Obe subscribe button. So obe click notification icon for latest update. Now obe chere wa adwen e dia ma me e wo comment section. Oba so no wa share amonu as enya bia share. Na me kan for NG Works Company Limited e na dia ma. All kinds of plumbing works omo eye bi. Ope say ye two swimming pool edema omo ye bi ye two nsuo edema ba bia nsuo no both time mu kura be pai atu nsuo na ma omo say adwumade no ana ope say ye bo solar panel e wo fie ana wo school mu hotel banks be bia wo adwuma mu store kitwa kura na waje na person bo solar panel e wo ho no mo ana wo fie single room kura na wa rent ana ope say bo solar panel ma omo say adwumade edema kama omo adwuma de eye yopo e ho ti clean e fin bia no adwuma ho omo eye plant installation and even in so kra wo fikra no say be so ni ma ye fin as any taste na say I just be say mo bia be mo they treat water free wo mu ne no ntwetwe nkomo almost services edoso pa call them and inquire more from them I was saying say Galamsey ya de Ghana ha no abeda ne kwankro abeda ne chronic disease e wo Ghana ha say ye ko a ye ntimi nko ama ye abeda ne politics ye be ya amanyose mu ntina oni say Ghana so de Udi bibi be ya amanyase mo pe untimi ntu ase da because party we kono na party we na mase ye de ye campaign ABC 2020 that was when Nana for the equity ban on Galamsey Okasa he will put his presidency on the line to fight Galamsey no or to stop Galamsey or the ban to Galamsey so that same time no na ye wo NDC for bi o munam kuntu na se e nam Galamsey site promise o say mon to adwo ma ha wa na NDC o mu ba ye be makwai amma ye adwuma no
na ne kasa ase no ma wo bia sisi amohu no ha no obehunu say the land in the city obeka na meboa after on the 11th that way on the 7th no and say ya wo ho e de mam because no one be sa kwatena ho say de be ya yenu anu mo bre o mo ye adwuma che kakrai mo so be nya sa ase ni bi na so ya sa e de machine so ase si wa ma a obekwa akọ han na so de aba be ye adwuma na so do krom no nko ko so aye den e di hie enti wo kwa akoto aba no a e John Daman Mahama e tu direct
just a Galamsey and some no de ye da nya ye politics enti no we ewo grounds ye na obi sunu na mase promise say mon to my neighbor be mam kwan awoma ye etie ntimi ntu ase de na be chronic disease wo Ghana ha my brand people take me so kra no there was a funny moment me we say small Ghana so for say omo ko Galamsey start to ko bon person ye to Galamsey ase
bunyale to homaye agrumin he wososo sebe ye biatwaso nim biatwaso kutu kranin de semi kumya ediye bremu de yasinu de atuse omayi seyo oyese na ose omafubra neche omayi seyo oyese na ose omafubra neche Gana manye wala ujo momaye wo wenka se wo kawo momaye munya Gana manye wala ujo momaye wo wenka se wo kawo momaye nyina so yemfa kroye takuye grego tikrofekno mumayina mo obiere na famudio oman benyankoso Ghana betumpono mumayina mo obiere na famudio oman benyankoso Ghana betu
that people will humble themselves and turn from our wicked ways and cry we will heal our land and save us, heal our nation.
Ghana no concert there Anybody aso excavator above from na your bomb pie. Say empire no cause anadwa na say Galamsey na hu fi. Debi. It's about time we have to be serious as a country. We have to be serious. Obi to Gala that same time no be the forest be mo di asase no. Na ebi so bomb pie. Say the boy na here there. Let's be as pen. Emma that 2024 krona no. Now so for na blame Akufo say we are failing the fight against Galamsey. Though was be very fine. But say never they were failing. Emma Munyina they teamed up against him. Emma de bia Kofi Oduro edimant into mind. De bia not Galamsey will give a whole pictures. Ewa na so de bu twa boy Akufo di wo motem. Oh. Di wo motem wan kasa. Emma now can ana dialysis and a kidney failure and because of Galamsey you know and cry be disabled. You disabled children. A whole lot. Just that be adding us on them not than Ghana Parliament. Trouble for the South, Galamsey, but now no. And so for in the Galamsey wins them, Obia and Kebby. Naemu, and also Penyah like I said, Obekasa, on your D. Na, Jobekasa, Obekasa. Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, with the greatest of respect, send the tribune and Oya, sorry. The honor, it will dig Galamsey home command. And Castle, what I say, your mom pie, we should all come together and pray.
The children, the future of our children and our grandchildren, let that spell and deception be intercepted. We are praying concerning the healing of our water bodies and the land, that our water bodies and our land will not be poisoned through this Galamsey. Something is going on which we won't recognize it today, because we are operating under a veil and a spell. It's a veil and a spell of money, politics, and manipulations of fetish and demonic powers. All kinds of things are going on behind the scenes. And unless you go to the back end by discerning of spirit, you really can't tell what's going on. But a lot is going on.
Ghana wants the papa. Empire, you know, Umadi Camp will be there. Our so for Kuku and Yadika Akucha Galamsey side to when she akobom pie be pain. She and free mama inti and say him pie. Ye hear action.
What was say? Young Konkobom pie. Nin sooner Galamsey asana no. Nyankopo man ninte. Na nyankopo no obey Galamsey gunsonim. Nyankopo na woti yankobom pie enchera no. Ono no koye obey Galamsey no gun sa nsonim. Nyankopo no obey Galamsey. Instead of Obeka NDC government, instead of Duncan Williams, Bishop Duncan Williams, Obeka NDC government say, Ghana for na yisu Galamsey, Edia say yinsuo. Into when DC government waba power fanyama pagu akwamu, such a way a Galamsey to obe channel, wo wo see yankon kobo mpaye, such a way yinsuo na ni bete. Na wo timi bom mpaye ma nsuo ni tia. Adentina wo bom mpaye na pipe na wudi dware no. Endane wine and a Fanta and a Coke. Now on Bishop Duncan Williams. So what to me now kukuduro? Et me catch like Ghana for. And also say with church members. So woman fan pie bo. And one pie in Suona Galamsey ya senano. And ni better dia. Then sa to me and no young couple na wo jide wonimuno. Adentina wo yusu sa to me no. Na pipe na ebia wono no pipe na ebia wodi dwade no bompa yegu pipe no so na pipe ne ndane Fanta and a Coke na chema wo church members ne no womonom se wutimi ya sa paade a ye betimi akogina ai baby Galamsey ya sensuo no ne yakwa bompa ye na ani ate
Galamsey ehia mpaibo e wo se menumi ne bompa ye Ghana fa wo se bompa ye na Galamsey na a poison Ghana yensu na air poison Ghana yensase no I was say a bompaye also fupani akasa Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams ochiremua Galamsey na yasososoa ma say Ghana nsase ne air poison Ghana yasase no I was say a bompaye ne rade babeje poison be was sasinum poison be a wonsu mo poison be wa butan mo I was say menu me no akomchine po I was say ye na ye bompa yi mu eden na e ready to me be Ghana assassin my ko ye jasa sinema Chinese for monji yenya kupon what God cannot do does not exist. Nigeria foreign, what God cannot do does not exist. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Israel for bompaye. Ema ewia ejinaye. Ya bompaye ema Jericho afosu bubuye. Ti osofo pani Nicholas Duncan Williams. Si ya bompaye. Na ya. Oh my God, na ya. It's so sad. Osofo Duncan Williams when a bompaye ma President mu. President Muhammad Timiko Bunkotodwe. Asofo Edo Musa Gunoso. Council of Elders. Me say Erade ti soro sa na wo hwe before na ne raho. Erade hwe Ghana for na ne raho. Also called the book of in the book of Genesis, Erade so nu hu so bo nipa. Nye nipa nyina o, eye na before. Ko we na Erade dia man adwen no, ye nyusu. Religion ama nipa before I say more. Religion. Galamsey na ye to ayese asase no, osofo si yenko bompaye. Na Pentecost for ni asofo mpanimfo bi beye bi mre bi atwa mu Ghana fo twabo mo menim se sebi sa mistake no bi amaye bibiom. Osofo panin Nicholas Duncan Williams otutu akwan enim ne emrofo ye. Na enne wo asem ka kire Ghana fo a wo se ye mompaye. Ghana no ahwe nye Council of Elders o we me to president fu osofo Nicholas Duncan Williams Archbishop anka wotimi be gina ho bo Ghana fo mpanimfo achi say idin suban bone na ye ya ma Chinese fo ho kwa mama begu Ghana no anka enumpo no eye more powerful than say enko bompae na den empire be na Chinese fo no monji nyankopon ni no ya ma ho kwan no mo aba Africa no mo say yensase omo buda no mo gini du ko China fe. And the China take over the world. America for yam shishomo because of China. Say the China erasino. Say the China pijano. America for suru. Na ni woman is wako China mpoa. A crucifo also. Oppression pie de ma crucifo no. Among for the quas or moko no in basement. Underground among for timikwa sorry. Nanu ya sofu pani ba ko China ni wadwane ye chinumpo America for ni jina mwana omujana pe no dwane kwasha America dwane kwasha ne ba ho. Ye mma wo kwan. Safui yama hokwa no mo say ensase ne yiwie ensaso de akoto nyame nanim nyame na odi Ghana asase ne che ye no nyame na odi Ghana asase che ye man ya gudie gold diamond bibia bi no ye sei no ye wie ekogina sa nyame nanim abompaye albaraka yawo na etoda President Mahama owadwempa ba asore sem no emmoa no na bia meka me ayam shisha me wo manu nyina no owakoma pa Nanso asori sem no is a President Mahama mfa ne yansi for mu pa enye ye because we mo se bibi po wo ho clear no mo de be ya honhom sem spirit yanko bompaye kabre kabo de brekete te hete ye de desa kunyame so de desa abibi fo woni nyai nyame adwene ode ama yensa na ode ama no hu ne de ye de desa ewade ra ho so boy Erade real ho onu no ho since na yes deliberate yes no poison yanko bompa ntwe poison in frasase no say food shortage beba okasa no say ahomoni bi asoro Ghana sase so ana amanfo gugunsa amanfo ye ekanche da mo ne honhoni ahomoni bi se wuni honhomani honhomani ben mu de hu hye nipa mu too much honhomani ben ye di nyamesum na concert na yes say Africa religion enyo enye Bible no but how we interpret and how we use the money be ya there eya it's to that young boys ni bi di motem no we be catch the broni engine o we be catch the broni say Galamsey na yetu no e was say ko bompa broni because are you crazy broni be catch broni panyo broni even junkie broni or junkie on no drugs broni abofra ketekete Australia have catch say are you for real because are you crazy say so na yes na yanko bompa na yinti ani yengi poison in free mo we mu na bompa ma president we mu na advice so the president yesrew mintie nsem hunu bi say with all due respect we nsem hunu yemfa mpaibon say enti poison in frasa yemfa mpaibon stop Galamsey here practical and the willingness of leadership so be fight it. If you can be yensi empo if you to TikTok on niema e Google free unhuni mpani for ne hey Ghana so no bama boom so you Ghana ni because dey da hopon betima ya no monye ka omo ane hye mo moye e wi na da kwose nyame honhom so sad.
My minim say me gidi nso say at it stands right now no nyina mo hu sa caption ya na say nkomodi we wo internet ne so. Now I really love Papa Duncan Williams and I respect him a lot. I can never and ever in my speech this submission and I say me kasa biemu me kasa tia panyini da but me chirema dwen in a nice way. Papa wadaru ma me bompa yesen ka wonsa be ka video we me dini nyansa se munya akwanya no se mokọ bompa ya ama empanyimfo no a president bia me mo president bia din president bia bi ko Galamsey konya ne se nya akwanya se ko bompa ya ama wo mo empanyimfo no a interior minister the president obi aban BNP aban NDC aban se nya akwanya no a before se mpaibo we no ebeba no before se mpaibo we ebeba no mama ya bompa ya se nyankopon healing land no munya akwanya no a na mo bend the president for no a mon kan kire o mo se afuto ni kamera nsa na mpaibo aba se security agencies soldier 43 police migration fire any nine mo for amatu mo mo kọ Galamsey site wo no mo mfatum katra ban ni so mfatum ni nyina ma wo mo na onyi ne ho mfiri mu odi tumi ni ma wo mu via onyi ne ho mfiri mu na won show mu nkran say kono mo ko site wo no they should go and deliver and do the job na ban ni ne ho mfiri mu na at the same time abanum friend and musifo MCs MMDCs assemblymen ne wo mo wo sa side won say senkrofo ya masomo mu law enforcement agencies ya masomo mo ba site ho na wa yo hu MCE wa yo hu DCE wa yo hu tompiata gang leader me na me ye wei ka kire wo mu se to signal ne mo mu aban Papa Duncan Williams Papa daroma boni ni die kwan so ka kire aban ne se won hye sa DCE fo nyina se wa ube interfere the operations of the security amasomo mu so mu me Galamsey no mu nsai no mu mane maso no wo say MCE kro meche watum asa yi wadi enko no te ase yi mun kan kira ban no se security agencies no omo pe won hye omu kutupa omo nyadu no onta o machi se omu kwa they should deliver ye beba kire bia IGP ta o machi ye beba kire bia CD boss soldier for ne boss o to machi ye beba kire bia wo aban no as president to ta o machi ni e wese Galamsey within a month ni we change ya ebebam positive change ya ebeba enkoma mpesa wo ka kira aban ni nyina no se munya akwanya no a na se mokọ bompa ya momu a mon kan kira aban ni se sei na akwala ketua bi ka se aban utumi ni nyina no bu mu 1/3 ne fam we video no anakọ abesi mi ju ba bi kwa wakandru enti aban ni na tumi ni nyina mu 1/3 emfama di security agencies wode mo wia wonta wo machi omu di amane e bebo no se ye kọ ye MCE bia ye no chompia tati baabi se amaga oso wonte ase se yaba ho nto me kwan a hyenkran kutupa ma IGP ma signal se se mo kwa obi obe interference bia no e dangerous or a threat to the country se mu use force we na anya mu use other force ne nipa no mon clear kwan mu na monye modwuma na aban no fatum ne ye wese Galamsey no ase ntu a we papa nyam paibo mbompa ya akwanche me na mka kire so me do nyankopon we nyame na besa ma o sasa atom yam me na meka kire wo because nyame adwa emfonyi na etwa nyina o Galamsey site ahodo nipa ewu amana ebukum nipa amana emmene enso a emmene yi excavator kire se nyame adwa wo bom pa me say se duri mudi agro koya kontre o Galamsey ho a mu yam betwa kro nyame bedima mu yam atwa kro me na me ka kire wo eye ne ma ketua bi na wo se mo ye bi ne so na me bo kire mu yi se police for kone Galamsey ni timi ko di police ni tu soja timi ko no obi gina na nima sanlai se wo ma soja ni ma me ye adwuma eye de ntra vim no munya no hene panyimfo asem ye asem se
Chida wadwe fuma me e wo comment section how you Penyah break media akra